Today we will learn how to create table format in Microsoft Word. To create table format in Microsoft Word, first we need to open Microsoft Word. Once you open Microsoft Word, here you can see called File menu. Click on here, and after that here you can see called blank menu. Click on here, and after that here you can see the Insert menu. Click on here, and after that here you can see Table. To create table format, there are two ways to create. Number one, by selecting columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and rows 2, 3. So in this way, where you can create table format in Microsoft Word. And another way to create table, here you can see called the insert table. Click on here. So here you need to mention that how many columns that you need for this table format. So here I need 7. Now columns and rows I need 7, and click OK. And here you can see to merge this cell, for that just select this, and after that go to table layout, and after that here you can see called the merge cell. So here I'll type student information or details, and after that click on table layout, and after that click align center. So here first we need a name, and here we need there is further name, and here we need DOB, date of birth, and here we need a contact number, and here we need a class, and here we need a rule number, and total mark here. So here we need a name. The name is something like, we can mention Mouse, Karina, and Manish, Ajay, Monica, so here to adjust this table, just click all, and after that here you can see called table layout, and after that here you can see called the auto fit, and click on auto fit content. So this is how you can create table format. And also we will learn how to calculate student mark. So here you can see some student details data. So here you can see the name, class, the subject in Hindi, English, math, science. So to calculate the total mark of the each student, for that you need to click on this cell, and after that click on this tab, and here search and type it formula, and click OK. Again next, click again next, formula, changes this left, click OK. Again click next, and type your formula, again change this, and click OK. Again here same, change this left, and click OK. again here left, formula, again left. So in this way, where you can calculate its student month. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Bye bye.